Hello guys, good afternoon to everyone. Once again, this is Sir Mayo Vlogs. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're fine, safe, and healthy. Welcome to Sir Mayo's Garden. And for today's vlog guys, it's another garden update with all of my luck and Feng Shui house plants. The one that I have in my mini paradise, my mini garden in Gomez Street, Pamplona 1, Las Piñas City. And for today's plant video is I will be featuring the one that I have. So this is my Sacred Heart of Jesus Caladium plant. One of the reasons why this is called Heart Caladium plant is because the foliage is shaped like a heart. So let's take closer more of its foliage. As what you can see guys, dun sa pinaka foliage niya is may mga splotches po ng different colors just like orange, red, and white. So this is one of its big leaves and I'm very much happy guys because I was able to take care of this excellently, and this plant is easily propagated by means of bulb. So this is one of its big leaves. And as what you can see guys, I planted only this plant, Caladium Sacred Heart of Jesus, in small pot just like this. So these are some of its leaves that are stunning and exotic. To tell you honestly guys, majority of my friends told me that these plants are commonly found in many areas, especially in damp soil, because they're easy to care for, easy to propagate, and minimal caring is required for this plant. I'm very much happy guys because every time I'm seeing its wonderful, healthy, lush, bush, and vibrant colors, stunning colors, it adds to my happiness and joy. It's already proven and tested that if you are seeing that your plants are growing healthy, they have lots of sprouted new plants, leaves, stems, roots, and of course, it's stunning, wonderful, beautiful flowers. It adds to our happiness. So nakakatuwa guys kasi po hindi ko po ina-expect na lalaki pong magandang aking Sacred Heart of Jesus Caladium plant. So napaka-stunning guys, right? So this is 3 months old propagated Caladium plant. So I best propagated this by means of bulb. So what I decided to do is, of course, I will cultivate the soil and I will be checking on one of its bulbs, and that bulb, it's just like a marble or stone in round shape, and after you find one, transfer that bulb in another soil. Be sure the one that we are using for our soils are fast draining and fast absorbing. We are not letting ourselves use soils that are not fast draining and absorbing because there's a possibility that the water in the pot will stay in the soil, and that is one of the causes for us to have root rotting, and we don't want that to happen. So ayan siya guys, so napakaganda ng kanyang pinaka dahon or foliage. So 3 months old propagated plant ang fini-feature ko for today. Also, one of the tips that I can share with you, plant care tips, is we are not placing or putting this Caladium plant in full sun, direct sun. They do not want that kind of heat or temperature, because the moment that we are placing this in full sun, there's a possibility that it will have scorched leaves, dark or brown edges. Also, worst scenario is pwede pong mamatay ang ating pinakahalaman kasi po natutuyo ang kanyang pinakadahon or yung pinakatangkay. Ayan siya guys. So for me, I consider this exotic rare plant kasi po napakaganda ng kanyang foliage. Not all plants have combination of colors just like what we are seeing right now. Ito siya guys. For some, they tend to consider this as authentic, but this is real, guys. So let's spliff the lib or one of its leaves. Ayan. So very real talaga siya, guys. Hindi po siya yung plastic na halaman. Napakaganda po, right? So ayan po siya. Also, for the water requirement, guys, for me, based on my experience, caladium plants want more water. They're wanting to water every day. Kasi po, yung pinaka-stem niya, guys, is nag-store ng water. Also, this caladium plant is best placed in filtered sunlight, cool shaded portion of our house. Also, the temperature requirement for this plant is ranging from 30 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Then for the fertilizer requirement, guys, is Sir Paolo or Sir Mio Vlogs is using yung organic fertilizer. What will I do is, of course, I will be making use of the peel of banana fruit, and then I add cinnamon powder to that mixture. Of course, we will blend that using blender and put some salt. Okay, so it's already proven and tested, guys, na if we fertilize our plants every month, one of its result is, of course, it's a good thing for us to have fertilized plant, kasi that is one of the reasons why some of my plants are getting beautiful, healthy, and vibrant every day. Also, based on the soil requirement, guys, as what you can see, there are white spots that are seen on top of its soils. So what I decided to do is, if we are trying to bake or cook omelette, the eggshells are not thrown away. Instead, we have to grind that eggshells, and we directly put the powderized eggshells in top of the soil. So why? Because eggshells are rich in calcium. That's also one of the aids for us to have a healthy bush lush, and we can maintain the exotic and stunning foliage of this Sacred Heart of Jesus plant. I hope you're learning a lot from me, guys, because I'm really happy that na nakakatulong ako, especially if you are plant enthusiast and if you're plant lover. If we want to make our plants grow healthy every day, bush lush, we have to find ways for us to have beautiful, stunning look of our plants. So thank you so much, guys, for all the love. Until next time, that's the simple update with my Sacred Heart of Jesus Caladium plant. See you around. God bless us all. Enjoy the rest of our day. Ingat po tayong lahat. Ciao, ciao. Never cease praying, because God never cease providing for all the things that we are wanting in life. Bye-bye po, guys. Ingat po tayong lahat. Isang mapagpalang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ingat po tayong lahat. Bye-bye. Hanggang sa muli.